Good morning, everybody. Looks like it's going to be a glorious day today. I'm wearing just a regular West Virginia sweatshirt today. I'm up early. So I feel like I'm saying a lot. Get my thoughts together. I am going to Aldi this morning. I have not been to Aldi in a long time. I have to run out today because my milk expired. I'm almost out of bread. It is the end of the month, and I just need a few things. Sometimes when I go to Aldi's, it's kind of hit and miss. Sometimes I find a lot of finds. Sometimes I just find what I need. So I'm going to go today, see what I can find, enjoy my little time out of the house. Got my bags and my purse at the front door. I am finishing up my coffee. If y'all want to know where my mug came from, because some of you guys seen a picture that I had posted on Instagram and wanted to know where I got my heart mug. I got it from Target. I think it was $5. I thought it was really, really cute. And I thought, yeah, I definitely need that in my life. I had a couple mugs get chipped and I had to discard them. So I did some replacing some of my mugs. I thought I would film a day in a life today with you guys because I haven't done a day in a life in a long time. So I'm starting my day with going to Aldi. Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind is going to come and get me this morning to take me to the store. We get a 2-hour shopping limit, which is more than enough time. I did just think I do need to make sure I have a quarter for the buggy, but I'm most certain I have one laying around here somewhere. I think I had one in my coat pocket the other day. So I'm going to get me a quarter. I still have to put in my hearing aids and my sunglasses. I've already got them. I've got my phone, my reading glasses, and I'll be ready to walk out the door as soon as they call. So what is on the agenda today? So besides the store, let's see. I'm supposed to be, either they're going to pick me up at 10 or I'm going to get there at 10. Sometimes they come early. Sometimes they come a little late. It doesn't matter. I'm up and I'm ready. I'll be at the store a couple hours, and then when I get home, by the time I put everything away and share what I bought with you guys, I'll have to make something to eat for dinner. So I'll probably grab something today that is relatively easy to fix. I'm ready. I'm going to finish my coffee, wait for them to call me. They usually call me about 10, 15 minutes away from here, and that gives me enough time to kind of hit the restroom, grab my bag, make sure I have everything, and then I can be ready to walk out the door. All right, I just got home, unloaded everything. For somebody who only need a few items, it looked like I did a pretty good job at buying more than a few items, but I'm going to share with you guys in this video what I got. So just a note that there are a few things in here that is for my group. If you're not familiar, I lead a peer support group at Cabell Wayne Association for the Blind, and we always have lunch whenever we have our meetings. Tomorrow's a meeting, and usually it's pretty simple lunch. So tomorrow we're going to have sandwiches, chips, brownies, and a drink. And I think, that's more than enough for everybody. And anyways, so that's included in this haul. So over here, I've got some white bread. That is for my group. And I got this split top wheat bread. That is for Ronnie and myself. Out of coffee creamer, I'm going to try this caramel macchiato. It looked pretty good. I've been looking for puffin corn. I don't know, but I'm going to make some Bucky nuggets. Is it beaver nuggets? Bucky nuggets. I can't remember how to call them. But anyways, I bought 3 bags of those because I'm going to try that recipe at some point. This is thinly cut chicken breast, boneless, skinless chicken breast. I'm going to use that today. Then we have some chicken legs, which is underneath there. I'm going to put those in my freezer. Got some Black Angus burgers, some Salisbury steak. If you've never had their Salisbury steak, really, really good and easy to fix. And I need a couple easy fixings this week because we've got kind of a busy week. 2 heads of cabbage. I wanted the coleslaw mix, but they didn't have it because I want to make the egg roll in a bowl, but I'm going to make it with this chicken breast tonight, and I'm going to use my grinder, and I'm just going to grind up this cabbage along with some onion and these carrots. And if I have leftovers, I'm just going to utilize it as my lunch this week because I love it that much. And that's what we're going to have tonight. 2 jars. They did not have my mushroom, but I got the tomato, basil, and garlic. I just got a couple of those. I always preach and teach, as long as you have hamburger meat and you have this on hand, you got a meal. It don't even matter what kind of pasta, because you can make it with any kind of pasta. Some bananas. I got turkey meat for my husband and I, ham meat for tomorrow, and 2 things of the Colby Jack cheese, 1 for tomorrow for my group and 1 for us. Also got some Mexican style cheese. One of these cabbages will be for Mexican cabbage casserole, which we absolutely love and adore. Completely out of black pepper. Did buy some of that. Some soy sauce. Breadcrumbs. Some honey. I've been utilizing honey a lot lately because I've been drinking a lot of hot teas with this super cold weather. And I went through all of my dark honey that I bought at the Pumpkin Festival. And this is definitely not as good as that honey, but it serves a point. They also have a new item. I don't know if you guys have ever seen it, but it's hot honey. I've never used it, but if you did have picked up the hot honey at Aldi, let me know how it is, because I heard that it is really good to relieve allergies and like sinus congestion. You can let me know if it's any good. Some ketchup. I bought Ronnie some hot sauce because we didn't have any hot sauce, so I went ahead and got him that. A mayo, some sliced pickles, because we always love a good pickle, especially if we have burgers. We love pickles. My Greek yogurt, some sour cream, some spinach, a bag of russet potatoes, a whole milk. I got a white cake mix, 2 things of the Reese brownie mix. If you've never made these, really, really good. They're delicious. I got 2 of those. And then I got Ronnie his Cheez-Its. He loves this, and it's the big family size box in this brand. Some people say they don't like it, but Ronnie does. He can't tell the difference. They're really good. And then lastly, I just opted and got this. Well, actually, it's not last. I got one more thing. I got the snack combo for tomorrow. So everybody can decide what bag of chips they want tomorrow with their sandwich. And then I got these wraps for myself. These are the protein wraps. I thought I would give them a try. These are red pepper. It looked really, really good. And they're really soft. So I thought these might be really good. And I put some turkey and some spinach and just load it. Also thought if I have leftover this, I could fill that in there in a wrap and eat that this week. I just thought all of the above just sounded so good. But that is my haul. I think I spent like $120 if y'all are curious. Sometimes I remember to let you guys know. So yes, I'm going to put all this away, and then I'm going to start on some supper. So I've got dinner going. I just got all the groceries up. Well, there are a few things that are non-perishables that's on the table, but we're doing good. So in here, what I did is I started with chopping up my boneless, skinless chicken breast, and I cooked those till they were just done. And hold on, my watch is going off. There we go. My watch is going off because I set a timer for the rice that I've got in this pot. Anyhow, I cut up the chicken and salt and pepper, some olive oil, cooked it till it was done. While that was cooking, I ground up a half a cabbage, an entire bag of baby carrots, and I chopped an onion. And now this is getting done. I just put the lid on it, let that steam, let that vegetables get all good and cooked down. And then in here, I have 1 1/3 cups of rice that I have made. And it is just steaming. I got it on low. It'll be completely done whenever this gets finished. And then if I can find it, in here, I have my sauce that's going to go in here on top. This is about 1/4 cup of soy sauce, some ginger, some garlic, honey, and some rice vinegar. What else did I put in here? And sesame oil. That is what is in here. It smells fantastic. And there's a little bit of pepper. The original recipe calls for white pepper. I just used regular black pepper because that's all I had. I think it'll be fine. And what I'm going to do is when this gets done, I'm going to put the sauce on top of it and combine it. And then I'm going to add some of the rice to this. And then some of the rice, my husband doesn't like just a plain bowl of rice. He has to have it mixed with something. So I'm going to have mine plain a little bit, and he will have his completely together. Anyways, I got to thinking I should have bought something else to go with this for him, but I think he'll be fine. It's going to be really good, and it's going to be healthy, and he's going to hate that, but that's going to be okay. Hello, everyone. I'm checking in. Oh, or checking out, one of the, one or the other. So Ron and I just got home from the gym, and we did really good. I walked, and he walked 1.7 miles. It was really nice. It was kind of crowded on the track, so it's kind of like keeping momentum is really important. It seems like I do better as long as I can keep it going, but once there's a stop and go kind of thing, because there were several people, and obviously you don't want to mow them down. It slows things down, but other than that, it's really good. Ronnie just went upstairs to take his shower, and I have to bake some brownies here in a little bit for my meeting tomorrow. And I'm having a cup of hot tea, and I thought I would show you. This is my favorite one. My favorite. This with a little bit of milk, a little bit of honey. This has been my winter go-to drink, and I love the way it tastes. It tastes so good. However, if and when I get, I don't know, I'll have to look on my Walmart Plus when I make an order, but if I may get out somewhere before that time, I'm going to find me some chai tea, because I have had the biggest hankering, and I had one the other day over at Starbucks, but I know that I can make it myself, is a chai vanilla latte. My husband says it tastes like Christmas in a cup, and it reminds him of eggnog. But there you go. But I love it. I absolutely love chai. It is so good. So good to me. Anyways, had a good time at the gym. I've had a full day. And like I told you, as soon as I turn around, my day is, getting over with. Right now, it is 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock. So I am going to enjoy my tea. I promised a friend of mine that I'd give her a call back. I'm going to get my brownies in the oven. And then it'll be time to take a shower and figure out what I'm going to wear tomorrow. Because when we get up in the morning, time goes quickly. It just seems like it just goes by. You know, you get up and then I have to get everything ready for meeting, make sure I have my paperwork filled out because I fill out some like a form. It's not a big deal. And yeah, so we're going to have a big meeting tomorrow. It's the first meeting of the year. And we're going to discuss all the things that everybody would be interested in doing this year. We had a really good group year last year. I'm very proud of all the things that we did. We went to the radio museum, which was really awesome. We went to the Barbersville Park Blind Trail. That was so nice, and we had a picnic. Another time we went to, I'm trying to think all the places we went. We ate at Wendy's. We had meeting at Wendy's one day. We went to Fat Patty's, which is a place here near the Marshall University campus. They have exceptional burgers. And if you go on Tuesday evenings, it's buy one, get one. And you cannot beat that deal. And it is filling. The burgers are huge. Very, very good. Ronnie and I have been several times over there. We went to the Huntington Museum of Art Sensory Trail and the Easy Oak Trail. And so we went hiking one day. I will tell you that was a good workout. And then we had a picnic afterwards, and that was nice. I'm going to drink my tea and call my friend. And then once my tea is gone, I'm going to go in there and get my brownies in the oven. And it'll be almost time to wind today down. So that's what I'm going to do now. Good morning, everybody. I did not film my brownies and I did not close out this video for you guys, but this morning is my meeting. I am getting ready to head out. I put you on my little handheld tripod here. I've been up for a while. I am finishing off my coffee this morning. And I got my brownies done. I got everything packed to take today for my group, but I did want to come in here and close this video out for you guys. Looks like it's going to be a very pretty day outside. Fingers crossed. I mean, it's still going to be cold here. It is winter, but I think it's going to be, you know, nicer. Going to head out to my meeting. I plan to have a good day today. I hope you all have a fantastic day. Thank you so much for watching this video. If there's anything that you all would like to see in upcoming videos, let me know in the comments down below. I try to please, and with all things, you just can't please everybody, but I'm going to do my best. So I hope you all have a fabulous day or night whenever you watch this. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. I love to have you part of Heidi's home. Give me a thumbs up and all those things. I read all the comments. I may not be able to write back to you all the time, but I read every one of y'all's comments. I love to hear from you guys. You guys are the reason why I do this. And, well, some of you say I inspire you, but actually you all inspire me to be who I am. So thank you so much, and I will be talking to you all again soon. Bye, guys. Here are the brownies, and I just have them in this, this is an awesome 9x13 glass pan that my mother gave me. And then this just goes on top. It has a carrying case, but I don't know that I'm going to take it today. I have to find it, and then it'll be ready for group.